Hi everyone! So for today, meron pong dumating na mini parcel. Parcel ba?
Small package.
Yeah, small package. And from someone. And i-unbox po natin siya. I think it's a Christmas gift. Of course, with Tatay's help. Uy, wow! May pa-shorts, may pa-t-shirt, t-shirt ulit, may bag, shorts and t-shirts for Zoe. Ang dami guys! Thank you so much! Ito po kaya, ano to? Ay, social! May pa-watch! Thank you so much po! We love it! Ang ganda! Later, let's try it on! Tada! Look! Ang ganda niya, guys. And this is mine, Ice Watch. Thank you po.
Wow! This is nice! Thank you! Salamat po sa Christmas gifts!
Pa-try na din natin yung ibang shorts kay tatay. Ganda! Thank you po.